Did you know you can use Canvas quizzes as read receipts? What you're looking at here is a quiz that I've put in one of my online classes. Now, at this time of the semester, I want students to know things. I want them to be familiar with what's going on. And so I sent them these 3 things that they have to know. This happens to be about the R20 grade, about their final exams, and about the office hours that I'm having every night. And so to guarantee that they learn this, I made a quiz. I made it a graded quiz so that it goes on their to-do lists. You see, students see things on their to-do list when they're graded. And so it automatically goes to their to-do list, which means they're going to see it on their phones and they're going to know they have to interact with it. I also made it so it shuffles answers, so no 2 students will ever see the same thing. And I've allowed them multiple attempts, which means they can take it until they know the information and can prove to me that they know it. The way I did this is I made a question with multiple answers. And so I asked them to prove to me that they are aware of the 3 things I want them to learn. Here are the 3 things I want them to learn. Here are 3 distractors. And with each distractor, I've given feedback telling them exactly what they got wrong in the distractor so they know what they need to know. Now, one of the neat things is once they take this quiz, I'll know who knows and who doesn't. And then I can use the Message Students Who feature in Canvas to message only the students who haven't yet filled out the quiz. These are the students who don't know, who haven't seen my messaging. And so I can message them. Now, if they take it and they don't get them all right, I can message students who scored less than a perfect score as well with the Message Students Who feature. So now I know who hasn't done it. And this is a great read receipt because it tells me who knows and who doesn't. Now, if you're worried about assigning 3 extra points in a grade, what you could do is make this assignment in a section of your assignments where it's worth 0% of the total grade. Now, on the student end, when the student sees this, they're still going to see that this is a quiz and it's on their to-do list worth 3 points. They're not aware that those 3 points aren't being averaged in. And so that's how you make a quiz into a read receipt. An extension of this idea would be for divisions or teams at the college to create a Canvas course. And then the dean in that division, or somebody working for the dean, could create this same type of quiz and add all of the faculty within that division into the course as students. Then that same read receipt approach could be used, and deans would know who's aware of the new information or not. Or team leaders could be aware of who's aware of the information and who's not. Then they could reach out to those who aren't aware and specifically help them out without sending the same message multiple times to people who've already confirmed that they know what's going on. Hope that helps.